Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. Okay, so in previous video we have done the chapter first revision, that is introduction to IPO. IPO. It means it stands for input processing output. So in first chapter we have studied about the IPOs, that is a working of a computer. The computer works on three steps, that is input processing output, which is known as the IPO cycle also. And after that we have learned about the how IPO cycle work. Every data or instruction is input, every action is a process, and the result of every action is output. Okay, then after that there is a advantages of a computer. In advantages of a computer we learn at least about 6 types of advantages we have, that is speed, accuracy, versatility, storage capacity, diligence, and multitasking. All these are the advantages of a computer. Okay, and after that we have studied about limitations of a computer. In limitations of a computer, there also we have learned at least 3 points, that is no feelings. It means a computer does not have any feelings because it is a non-living things. Dependent on humans, means a computer is a manual machine, so a computer cannot do anything by its own. You always depend on human beings. And third one is zero IQ. Zero IQ. Zero IQ. IQ stands for intelligence quotient. It means a computer has no intelligence of its own. Means a computer doesn't have its own IQ. For example, whatever the information we are giving, a computer always work on that data and information. If a user is giving incorrect information, then computer will show you the incorrect result. Why? And so this type of computer terminology is also called the GIGO. That stands for garbage in, garbage out. Okay, in short summary I will tell you, a computer has 4 main parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. A computer goes through 3 steps to perform any task, that is input processing output or IPO cycle. Input is the data and instructions given to the computer. Processing is the action of converting the input into a meaningful result, and output is the result displayed by the computer after processing. A computer is very fast, accurate and multitasker. A computer has no feelings and no IQs. Okay, so by this we have completed our revision of chapter first. Today we are going to do the exercises of chapter first. In chapter first exercises, there is exercise question number A. It is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. The term used for the final result is, first one, the term used for the final result is, there is 3 options, that is input, processing, output. Okay, input, processing, output. So what is the answer? The correct answer is, the term used for the final result is output. The correct answer is output. Clear? OUTPUT. Output. Now come to the next second. What is the 3-step process on which a computer works? What is the 3-step process on which a computer works? Option PPO, IPO, PLO. The correct answer is IPO. Second one, that is IPO, which stands for input, processing, output. Come to the third one. Third, that is name the processing device among the following. Name the processing device among the following. Options are CPU, keyboard, printer. I repeat, CPU, keyboard, printer. So name the processing device among the following is The correct answer is CPU. The correct answer is CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Then fourth one, that is D. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a computer? Which of the following is not a characteristics of a computer? Options: IQ, speed, multitasking. IQ, speed, multitasking. So, which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? IQ. IQ is not a characteristic of a computer. IQ stands for intelligence quotient. Intelligence quotient. Okay, now question number B. Come to the second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In fill the blanks, we have to attempt 4 questions. Here, all 4 questions. First one is, data is entered through dash devices. Data is entered through dash devices. Can you guess it? With what device we can enter the data in a computer? Yes, input. With the help of input device, we can enter data. So, spelling of input is INPUT. Input. Second one, results are displayed on. Results are displayed on dash devices. Can you guess on which devices the results are displayed? Yes, the results are displayed on output devices. The spelling of output is OUTPUT. 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 Okay. Come to, this is the answer of second. Now come to the third one, that is, a computer works on dash cycle. A computer works on dash cycle. Can you guess on which? On a computer always work on 3 steps, no? That is known as the dash cycle also. What is that? Yes, that is IPO. IPO. That is stands for input processing output. Input processing output. Okay, with the help of working. Fourth one, working of a computer on the given data is called dash. Okay, working of a computer on the given data is called, whatever the data is given to a computer and it's working, what does that steps should be? It should be processing. 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 Working of a computer on the given data is called processing. Okay, clear to all of you? I will repeat the spelling. PROCESSING. Processing. Okay. Now come to C exercise, that is write true, T for true and F for false. T for true and F for false. In that C here, we have to attempt 4 questions here also. The first one is, a computer has a huge storage capacity. A computer has a huge storage capacity. See here, for that is what? Is it true or false? A computer has a huge storage capacity? Yes, it is true. So T stands for true. A computer has a huge storage capacity. It is true. Second, the mouse is an input device, isn't it? With the help of mouse, or we can enter the data and informations in the computer. So it is an input device or not? Yes, it is an input device. So the mouse is an input device is also true. Okay, this is also true. Third, IPO stands for input pen output, isn't it? IPO stands for input pen out. No. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is IPO stands for input processing output. It means the third true or false. IPO stands for input pen out is false. It is false. Why? Because IPO stands for input processing output. Clear? Come to the fourth one, that is a computer has 0 IQ. A computer has 0 IQ. Okay. Is it? A computer has 0 IQ, it is true? A computer also having the IQ? No, computer does not have his IQ, no? So, a computer has 0 IQ. Yes, why a computer has 0 IQ? Because it is a non-living things and it is man-made machine. That's why a computer has 0 IQ. So, it is true. A computer has 0 IQ is true. The spelling of true is TRUE. Clear? Okay, then fine. So, by this we have completed exercise A, B and C of chapter 1st. In next video, I will send you exercise D, that is answer the following questions, and also some activities are there. We will do in the next video. Okay, then if you have not completed, please note it down all these exercises in your fair copy in a good manner. Okay, and be concentrate on your study. Stay safely at home. Bye. See you. We will meet again in the next video.